We're going to add 1 cup of Dr. Pepper. Let that, stir that around. Yeah, let me get us a tablespoon, and we will use our baker's cocoa. We're going to add 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of baker's cocoa. And turn the fire down just a little bit. Here's now. Here, there's 3 tablespoons of baker's cocoa. I'm going to get all that cocoa dissolved. I think that's, you might all have better luck if you do this in a saucepan, but I just use my skillet for so many things. I just do it in my skillet because I'm here to watch it and stir it. Okay, we're going to take that off. Oh, it smells so good. We're going to take that off and let it cool. Okay, now we're going to do the wet part of the batter. So we're going to use, we're going to put 1/2 cup of buttermilk. To your mixer. Okay, and we're going to put, let's see, probably 1 teaspoon of baking soda. One teaspoon of your Mexican vanilla, so that's what I use. I'm going to have to get a new bottle before long. Just let that just get that off the table. Okay, for concoction for our main batter. Okay, let me get our pans. Boy, I have several of these pans, but mine were just about rusty and worn out after going through my great-grandmother or my grandmother, and I found these online at the Vermont Country Store, and I have 6 now. So this cake you can make a 3-tier cake, but today I'm just going to make a 2-tier cake. So what I do is I take my pans and I buy the cooking spray with the flour, so I don't have to mess with the worrying about having to flour out the pan. Plus, I've got my little wheels here, or my little handles, that will help the cake come out also. That's why I love those cake pans. And we'll make our filling icing. I did not realize that the icing is the exact same start as it did for the cake. Your butter, your cocoa. The only difference is you add your sugar. So you put a cup of butter into the skillet. I didn't clean it because I thought that would give it probably even a kind of a not really burnt flavor, but a good flavor from the cast iron. So we'll heat that butter. We're going to do the exact same thing. We'll put 3 tablespoons of the cocoa in. 3, 4, 5. I really got that to a half, and then that'll be about right. So we'll say 6 tablespoons of Dr. Pepper. So we'll bring this just to a simmer. Let's turn up our little convection fire to medium. We'll get this up to a simmer. Now this says to whisk the sugar in and remove from heat. So, let me get this just kind of mixed, and then I'll measure out 1.5 cups of my confection sugar. Keep my confection sugars in these plastic bags. Cup of confection sugar, put it in my bowl. And then I'll go ahead and get that back. Don't let this set or you'll burn your cake cool. That's a beautiful, beautiful icing. Then we'll be back. Okay. People think this is for Afro's hairdo, but it's an angel to cut angel food cake. So I just poke holes into my cake. Like that. Center that cake pretty good there. And then I'll just Gets it all down in there very good. Then I'll do my other. Love these pans. I just love them. Literally. So now I will put that one out there. Let's got that little crack which you can pour. This glaze is just icing glaze. It's beautiful. I've got it on the quarterman's platter. It's got a well in it so it keeps the bottom of the cake moist. Plus, once this cools and we cut it, it will be absolutely divine. I hope you've enjoyed the Dr. Pepper cake recipe, and I hope you try to make it because I think your family and your friends will enjoy this one. A Texas tradition.